long intros, no fluff, just results. If you've ever wondered how to automate Canva designs using ChatGPT, you're in for a quick and powerful walkthrough. Let's dive straight in and show you exactly how it works, step by step. First things first, let's get the right GPT loaded. Inside your ChatGPT interface, head to the left menu and click Explore GPTs, or Search GPTs if it's visible. If that doesn't appear, just click your profile icon at the bottom left and select Explore GPTs from there. Once inside, type Canva into the search bar. You'll see a GPT for Canva pop up. Tap on it to load it into your workspace. I've already done that ahead of time, so we can keep moving. You're now in a Canva-powered GPT environment. You can use it just like any chat, but this one is tailored for Canva-related tasks. Let's test it with a prompt. Design a vibrant YouTube thumbnail template for a tech review channel using bold typography and dynamic visuals. Boom! Within seconds, visually appealing thumbnail designs appear. Clicking either will launch Canva directly, allowing you to tweak the design however you want. From there, download or publish straight to YouTube. Simple, right? Let's try another one. Here's a fresh prompt. Create a sleek modern wedding card with a minimal layout for couples. When you run this, ChatGPT will ask to connect with Canva. Just click Always Allow or choose Allow each time if you prefer. For example, we just got one for wedding card and another variation right after. Click either option, and Canva opens it up instantly so you can customize, export as a PDF, or send to print. Whatever works for you. Let's try something more visual, an infographic. Prompt: generate an engaging infographic template for illustrating HIV symptoms. Now we're talking. GPT instantly gives us infographic options. Click one, and you're inside Canva again, editing in seconds. Each template is well-structured and surprisingly high quality for something that took seconds to generate. This combo, GPT plus Canva, can seriously level up your design game. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving AI tutorials. Thanks for watching.